everyone, in this Pecha presentation, I will analyze intercultural communication in popular media by using the animated TV show Upin and Ipin. I focus on the episode Hantu Durian because it clearly shows intercultural miscommunication caused by language difference, cultural beliefs, and different interpretation of meanings. This presentation discusses intercultural miscommunication in Upin and Ipin, especially in the episode Hantu Durian. The analysis focus on cultural identity, power dynamic, and cultural context. Upin and Ipin is a Malaysian animated TV show that represents a multicultural society. The characters come from different cultural backgrounds and interact in daily life. The story begins when Upin and Ipin meet Raju, Badrul, and Lim. They ask where they are going, and intercultural interaction starts. Raju communicates using hand gestures that are common in Indian culture. However, the other characters do not understand these gestures. Raju also speaks using his own language. Upin and Ipin cannot understand him, which causes verbal miscommunications. Raju's cultural identity influences how he speaks and behaves. His way of communication reflects his cultural background. When Opet says he is not from the area, only Raju understands him. This shows language as power in intercultural communication. Upin and Ipin get lost in the forest, but they feel happy because they do not understand the meaning of the word lost. Raju explained the meaning of loss. This moment shows how different cultural and linguistic understandings affects communication. Opet wants them to leave the forest immediately, but this passage is not taken seriously. This shows ineffective communication. Raju becomes afraid in the forest. Darkness and ghost stories increase his fear, showing how cultural beliefs shape perception. Raju thinks he sees a durian ghost, but actually a person is disguised. This is a cultural misinterpretation. Opet shares his sad story about being separated from his mother. This helps build empathy among the characters. Opet meets his mother, but the situation remains confusing and tense because of poor communication. And then Opet fades after being attacked. His mother reacts emotionally, and emotions blocks relational communication. Opet mothers misunderstand the situation and thinks Raju is harming Opet, even though Raju is trying to help. And then, because of this misunderstanding, Raju becomes frightened and runs away. This shows the negative consequence of miscommunication. The misunderstanding is finally clarified, the truth is realized, and the situation becomes calm again. Opet asks Raju before leaving. The scene symbolizes reconciliation, empathy, and restored relationship. So, in this conclusion, this episode shows verbal, nonverbal, semantic, and cultural miscommunication. Intercultural understanding is important to avoid conflict. To conclude, the Hantu Duran episode teaches us that intercultural communication often happens because people interpret message differently based on their cultural background. By improving intercultural awareness, active listening, and empathy, communication and become more effective. I'm Anji Putri Wijanti. Thank you for watching.